Hi, I'm Betty from Insightfactory. I'm here to help you discover trends and start selling before they get saturated. If you are new on Etsy and you want to start a business on Etsy, you should know that by being early to a new trend, you can make real money. So let's see what is selling on Etsy right now. When I want to do Etsy niche research, I select my preferred product from this category here. I select shirts. So I see 4 pictures that are top sellers of this specific niche. As you can see, here's the number of views in the last 30 days, the number of favorites, and also competition. If you want to check Google Trends, simply click here, and if you want to see the niche on Etsy, click here. And remember to check for trademarks or copyrights before you start designing. It is important to note that our data updates every day, so it's live and reliable. Make sure to check the list every day. When you scroll down, you can see the number of pages here. For today, it's 257, which is only available for our pro users. So if you are a pro user, you have access to the full list. Therefore, not only you can see all the competitive niches, you can also make more money by being early to a specific niche. As you can see in our pro version, there is a list on the left side of the screen that is only available for pro users, so make sure to check it out every day. Remember that only pro users have access to the most profitable niches. So don't waste your time, upgrade right now and start making real money. Thanks for watching.